Hi everyone, in front of me I've got Motorola Edge 20 and let me share with you how to change the screen timeout on this device. So first of all, let's enter the settings and now let's tap on the display. Here we have to tap on advanced and let's scroll down a little bit to find the screen timeout. And as you can see here, we've got some options from which we can choose. So we can set either 15 or 30 seconds or 1, 2, 5, 10 or 30 minutes. Right now we've got 10 minutes option applied. This option is marked obviously, and in order to change it, all you have to do is to simply tap on the one you would like to. So I'll pick, for example, 5 minutes, and as you can see, it is notified right here that from now on, after 5 minutes of inactivity, this device will black out. So actually this is it. This is how to change the screen timeout in your Motorola Edge 20. Thank you so much for watching. I hope that this video was helpful, and if it was, please hit the subscribe button and leave the thumbs up.